Hey everybody, it's Brad at Dayport Brothers LLC out in Versailles, Ohio. Going to do another walk around video followed by an operational video on this 2019 Mahindra 3650P that came in for sale. As always, I'll walk around, I'll talk about features and functions, I'll get up close to everything that I see. Then we'll go into the operational video showing it starting up, moving forward, backwards, loader up and down, show you the brakes work good. As always, if you are in the market for a used tractor or a used piece of farm or construction equipment, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, as that does help other people who are looking for similar videos find ours. All right, like I said, this one's a 2019 3650P, cab heat air, four-wheel drive, 3650 CL front loader with a skid steer mount, quick attach, 12-speed power shuttle transmission, one rear remote. This one has an air ride seat, radio, R1 tires. I just drove this one around. Cranks right up, runs strong, engine sounds good, the hydraulics are strong, the pins are tight up here. Like I said, this one is skid steer mount, quick attach. As you can see, the paint is fairly bright. This Mahindra red paint is notorious for fading out, and it is pretty bright. The tires and rims are in really good shape. Front tires here, plenty of life left. Little bit of paint chipping off there on that silver rim. Nothing out of the ordinary there. Same thing, this rear tire is really good. Rims in good shape. Back here on your 3-point, these are kind of nice. They do have these levers that you flip, and then this arm extends out, makes it easier hooking up your 3-point attachments. Drawbar's in good shape. 540 PTO, of course. Everything back here is nice. Like I said, one rear remote. This side, again, really good on the rear rubber. Rear rim's in good shape. Both your back fenders are in really good shape. I don't notice any cracks or anything on those. Again, this front tire, front rim. I don't see any plating or welding or cracks in the frame of the loader or up here in the skid steer mount plate. The bucket is really nice, it's straight. There's no bows in the bucket. Up here's a couple little scratches there. Nothing out of the ordinary. It is still a used loader tractor. I've got this set so I can open the hood with one hand here while I hold the camera. As you can see, everything underneath here is nice and clean. I'll go over to the side and show you what we can see on the side of the engine. It's a little hard with this camera setup to get too close, but as you can see, everything's nice and clean. It's dry, there's not a lot of oil or diesel running down the block. Go to the other side. Show you the same thing. It's nice and dry in here. The frame rail's in good shape. That black paint's nice and bright. Take a look inside the cab. The step's in really good shape. All the cab glass, like I said, is good. I don't see any cracks in any of the glass. It's all there, all present. The interior of this tractor is very, very clean. As you can see, the floor mat's in good shape. No cuts or rips or tears in that floor mat. Your pedals show very, very little wear. It is, like I said, an air ride seat. The seat's in good shape. There's no cuts or tears in the seat. And everything in here, it is very clean inside this cab. As you can see, there's not a lot of dirt and mud anywhere. Very, very clean. Got your controls over here. Loader controls. Your brake and throttle pedals. The dash is in very good shape. All right, like I said, this one's a 2019. It has 242 hours. I'll get this hood shut and then we'll go right into an operational video.